After more than 3 decades behind bars, Lyle and Erik Menendez are asking for a second chance. The brothers, convicted of killing their parents in 1989, are appearing before separate parole panels. Erik today, Lyle tomorrow, each via video conference. A favorable ruling could set them on a path to freedom for the first time since their 1996 convictions. The crime was as shocking as the setting. Jose and Kitty Menendez were shot repeatedly in the family's Beverly Hills mansion on an August night in 1989. At trial, prosecutors painted the sons, then 21-year-old Lyle and 18-year-old Erik, as greedy heirs who wanted immediate access to a multi-million-dollar estate. The defense countered with a starkly different narrative, claiming years of sexual abuse drove the brothers to kill in what they believed was self-defense. A jury ultimately sided with prosecutors, and both brothers received life without parole. For decades, that sentence was unshakable until a recent change in California law opened an unexpected door. The law allows inmates who were under 26 at the time of their crimes to be resentenced and considered for parole. A Los Angeles judge applied that statute in May 2025, converting each brother's punishment to 50 to life, which immediately made them eligible for parole. Now the focus shifts from what happened in 1989 to who the Menendez brothers are today. Supporters, including more than 20 relatives, say the men have demonstrated sustained growth and full accountability. Both earned college degrees behind bars, helped launch support groups for elderly prisoners, and mentored younger inmates. At their resentencing hearing, Erik called his actions atrocious, while Lyle admitted he had lied on the stand nearly 30 years earlier. The Los Angeles County District Attorney's Office sees the situation differently. District Attorney Nathan Hochman argues the brothers still lack full insight into their crimes and remain unfit for release. Prosecutors plan to highlight disciplinary violations, fighting, and possession of a cell phone as evidence that the pair may struggle to follow rules outside prison walls. A parole board must decide whether Lyle or Erik presents an unreasonable risk of danger to the public. Board members will weigh prison behavior, expressions of remorse, and the original circumstances of the murders. If either brother secures a grant of parole, a 120-day administrative review follows. After that, Governor Gavin Newsom gets the final word. He can approve, modify, or overturn the decision. The governor has said little, stressing a desire to remain impartial. Parallel to the parole bid, the brothers have a clemency request pending with the governor and a petition for a new trial based on what they say is newly discovered evidence of abuse. While those efforts wind through separate channels, the immediate spotlight is on this week's hearings. For a public long captivated by the case, the lavish lifestyle, the gruesome crime, the conflicting stories of motive, the next few days mark a pivotal chapter. A small panel of parole commissioners and ultimately one governor will determine whether Lyle or Erik spend the rest of their lives behind bars or get the chance to begin anew on the outside.